Hi, this is Professor Rickard. In section 2.5, you'll be working with matrix inverses. So we've already covered matrix addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but we never talked about matrix division, and that's because there's no such thing as matrix division. So instead, what we have are inverses. And so if you think about an algebraic equation, 2x equals 10, for example, we could solve that by dividing both sides by 2. That would give us x equals 5. Or we could have multiplied both sides by 1/2. That would also give us x equals 5 and solve that equation. The 1/2 in that scenario is the inverse. When we multiply the inverse of 2, 1/2, times 2, we get 1. And so 1 times x is just x. So we have a similar thing in matrices, and we call that the inverse. So if we have matrix A, its inverse would be A inverse. And we multiply those two together, we get I, the identity matrix. And the identity matrix is basically like the number 1 in regular algebra. So I times A, for example, would just give us matrix A, just like 1 times 5 is 5. So we'll be using matrix inverses to solve matrix equations. And with that, I will leave you to work with matrix inverses.